Hello everybody, I hope you're enjoying your festive season. Let us redo and rejuvenate our hair. The days you are in well. Anyway, here is the reason why I'm doing this video. Something is in my eye. So, right, the hairline. Okay. So, there's been so many things going on social media, but there's one thing that caught my attention, and I've always been wanting to talk about it. What is it? This obsession with people wanting to out other people with regards to their sexuality. Like, why? How does it change or improve your immune system? Balance me. This thing of thinking that if you say someone is gay and they are hiding themselves, and if you find out that they are gay, it's you saying it like being gay is a minus to your points in life, is a disaster, is a scandal. Can't we just respect other people's decisions? There are men out there who prefer to stay in the closet. When you think it's an achievement for you to out somebody else. Perfect example. Kaya just got divorced, and all of a sudden, everyone jumps into conclusion that he's gay. Why? Based on what? Did he say it? Based on what? Based on his mannerisms? Is he too flamboyant for you? Is he too aha for you? So everything that is aha is gay. Even if he was, what does it have to do with you? You've got this thing of wanting to make people feel uncomfortable by being themselves. There's so many men that have been labeled gay and they haven't even come out, or they haven't even said it, or they haven't even done anything. There hasn't been a sex tape with them with another man. And even if there was a sex tape with another man, doesn't mean they're gay. They could be bisexual. Have you thought about that? They could be bisexual. They could be attracted to men and women. But they haven't said anything. And you like to find a fault, as if being gay is a fault. They are doing well in their careers. They are clean. They smell good. They're doing well. And you want to make them feel miserable by being themselves. There's so many men that have been labeled as gay, as if being gay is I'm not going to go into it as a sin, because is a sickness. I can name a few men that I'm sure even themselves they've heard the rumors that they're gay. Maps Maponyane has been labeled gay. Why? I have no idea. Lunga Shabalala, why? I have no idea. Theoko Sinkwe, why? I have no idea. So many. Musa the doctor, I'm sure now you've heard it. Why? I have no idea. And more than anything, what infuriates me. Okay, what annoys me is that most of the time it comes from the gay community. Like, why? Okay, the straight community, I don't give a hoot much because I'm not straight. They must think whatever they want to think. But gay people, why do you like to stigmatize what you are already? Why do you want everyone to be gay? Why? It really grinds my nipples. Stop it. Someone being gay would not improve your bank balance in any other way, or would not make it less of what it is already, would not affect your immune system in any way, would not take the roof off your head, would not make you lose or gain weight, would not make you lighter or darker, would not improve anything in your life, but it would improve the sense of negativity and vileness and Niyatina, yekelani, stop it. Let people be. And if they decide they want to fuck another man, happy birthday. Siv already has been labeled gay. Siv is so comfortable with his sexuality that if he decided to be gay, or if he decided to come out, he would. But Nina, and you know what the worst part is? Let me go to you ladies that always love to say so and so is gay. You could be sleeping with a man who doesn't have a side chick but has a side nigger. But busy papa. Internalize. And you guys that always love to point at other people and saying they are gay when they haven't, you could be distracting the attention towards you. Or we are khalela. Mara, unedimoni elidlanga phakathi ubona ukuthi ufuna ukukhomba abanye abantu so that we can be distracted and say oh so is gay singakunaki wena kanti nawe self. You understand? So let us just live our lives. Let's just live our lives and not worry about so and so's sexuality. It's the same stigma that people give to when someone loses weight, they're HIV positive, they've got cancer. You diagnose people. Diagnose, introspect, beg. The attention you're giving to other people's businesses. You should be starting your own business and make money and earn a living and have a great life on your own and stop being a miserable, vile, vindictive, manipulative. In other words, Merry Christmas. I hope you change this 2 days left.